I'm having a good hair day, thank goodness. That would be kind of awkward if I ended up having a really bad hair day on the day I decide to film how I do my hair. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Helen, and if you've been with me before, then welcome back. Today is going to be a bit of a fun video. I am going to show you how I get my hair in its naturally curly state. This is my normal, everyday, how I wear my hair. It's the easiest for me to do. I just put some product in it. There's a couple ways I usually do it. I let it either air dry or I diffuse it. And most every day I am letting it air dry, and then today I did diffuse it. You get a little bit more volume when it's diffused. So I'm going to go through the steps with you on what I do. I'll just I will record it and then kind of voice over all the steps that I take to get to this look. I'm really happy with how it turned out today. I'm having a good hair day, thank goodness. That would be kind of awkward if I ended up having a really bad hair day on the day I decide to film how I do my hair. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and I will see you in a minute with my hair done again. Alright, here we are with freshly showered hair. I'm really excited to show you guys how I do my hair curling method. I would say my hair is about a 2C. The longer though it's gotten, it's probably more close to like a 2B, halfway in between. I'm going to be going in with this BB thickening spray. My hair is definitely a little more thin in consistency. I do have some thinning hair I've been taking vitamins for, so I like to use the thickening spray to make it a little more voluminous. I just spray a little bit in towards my roots. Alright, step 2, we're going in with the EVA NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. I really like this spray. It kind of does a plethora of things. It's a heat protectant, it helps fight frizz, and just kind of sets up my hair nicely and is a nice base product. And for number 3, kind of hard to see, but I'll be using the Satin Dream leave-in cream. My ends of my hair tend to get a little bit dry, so I like to use a little leave-in conditioner at the ends. And I just rake it through my hair, and then once it's raked through nicely, I'll kind of flatten my palms against the ends of my hair and just kind of make sure all the product is in there. And for the 4th step, we've got the Rock-A-Wave Curl Cream, again by EVA NYC. I've definitely fallen in love with this brand. So I use 3 pumps of that, and again I distribute it throughout my hair. I start in the ends and kind of make sure it goes through my roots as well. And then I go through with my Tingle Teaser brush, and I just brush through my hair and make sure all the product is nicely distributed and that all of my hair is coated. And then once I've done that, I start going through and scrunching up my hair to kind of help shape the curls a bit. And then last but not least, I use the, I don't even know how to say this, Oidad, whatever. It's an anti-humidity and frizz gel. My hair tends to soak up any sort of humidity and frizz out, so I like to use this as a last step just to protect it from getting super frizzy and poofing out like a lion's mane. I just scrunch it through my hair. And we're going to go in with the hair dryer, and I have a diffuser attachment on it, and I like to use low speed and medium heat. And I just focus this directly on the roots of my hair, and once the roots are dry, then I will start focusing on the ends. And here I'm just flipping my hair over, trying to help build some volume in it. And I just make sure while I'm doing my roots that I'm coming in at all sorts of different angles, and I'm not just focusing it on one angle the whole time. And I'm making sure not to go through and actually disturbing the curls too much, especially with my hands. I save that for the end. Now at this point I'm going to start drying the ends of my hair. And it's kind of hard to see, but what I do is I'll turn off my hair dryer, place my ends in the diffuser, scrunch up, and then turn the dryer back on. And just kind of sit there on my ends for about 10 seconds each spot, and I just work my way around my head while my head is flipped over. And then once I've done one pass through with my head flipped over, then I turn my head on the side and I start doing the same thing. And just making sure the ends and the roots are nicely dry. At this point my hair is just about dry. Normally I would wait till it was completely 100% dry before I start this process, but for the sake of the video I went in a little early, but it's alright, it worked. At this point I'm just scrunching through my curls with my fingers and kind of breaking the cast from the gel and the curl creams. And this just helps soften so there's no like crunchy bits from the gel, and kind of helps volumize my curls. And at this point my hair is done, and I absolutely love it. Alright guys, so this is the final look, which you saw in the beginning of the video. I hope that wasn't too confusing for you guys. I have decided that EVA NYC is by far my favorite hair care company. I kind of accidentally discovered them. I was shopping around on Ulta for a hair mask, and I found their hair mask, which I'll link below, and the smell is just so nice. I love the way it smells, and it feels really nice in my hair. So I discovered them with their hair mask, and then from there I just started kind of ordering a few things and ended up with like 4 different things from them. So that's why you did see them quite a few times in the video today. I will say my hair is pretty thin. It's kind of thinning. I do take hair vitamins for that, but for curly hair it's kind of on a thin side, and this method just works best for me. My ends tend to be a little bit dry, so the leave-in conditioner I use helps with that. And then basically anytime the weather is warm, my hair just kind of soaks up the humidity. Even if there's not much out there, it will soak it up. So that's where I come in with that anti-humidity gel at the end. And I just diffuse, my roots first, and then once they're diffused, I go up and go with the ends, dry those out. So yeah, I really like the way my hair looks when it's naturally curly. It's quick and easy. That took me about 15 minutes to dry my hair, which really isn't too bad. If you like my makeup look today, I have also filmed a 15-minute makeup look. This took me less than 15 minutes to create. So if you do like that, I'll link that as well so you can watch that. And so this is my normal everyday I'm going into the office for work look. I haven't done it in a while because there hasn't been a need to go into the office, but this is, I'm ready usually within 20-30 minutes max with my hair and makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. I come out with new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and usually they pertain to makeup or beauty, and occasionally I plan to throw in a lifestyle or a DIY type of creative video. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!